a paddle boat can move at a speed of 8 kilometers per hour in still water. So this boat is basically going to go downstream 6 kilometers. It's going to go upstream 3 kilometers. Both will take the same amount of time. That's a key, so same time. And I want to know what's the speed of the river. Here's a hint. If you're in a boat and you go upstream, the water is pushing against your boat, which is going to slow down the speed of your boat. Slow down usually refers to subtraction. And if you're going downstream, in other words, flowing with the river, you paddling plus the river pushing you will increase your speed, which will be represented by addition. So here's the hint. Same time, similar to a question we've recently done. Basically what we're going to do is we're going to say time to go downriver is going to be equal to the time to go upriver. And that spurs a question. What is time? Well, we learned previously that speed is equal to distance over time. So to solve for time, we clear our fractions by multiplying by t. The t's will cancel. We'll get distance equals time times speed. And then to get time by itself, we divide both sides by speed. To get time equals distance over speed. So if time down equals time up, I will have d over s equals d over s, where this is down and this is upriver. Look at the story problem. Distance going down is 6. And distance going up is 3. Now remember, if we go upriver, we're going against the current, so we're going to have to subtract something. If we go downriver, we're going to go with the current, which will make us faster, so we'll have to add something. So the first thing I've got to do is say, wait a minute, I need a variable. How about we say let x equal the river's speed. And again, if I'm going to go downriver, I'm going with the river. In other words, I'm adding the river speed. So it says a paddle boat can go 8 kilometers per hour in still water. So in still water, it's 8. But if I go with the river, I'm going to add that river speed to increase my speed or to give me my speed going downriver. And if I go upriver, I'm going to be taking that 8 kilometers per hour, which is how fast we can paddle in still water, and we'll subtract the x, or the river speed, since we're going to go up and against the river. That's our equation. The next thing we would do is just solve this equation, so cross multiply. When I do that, we get 24 plus 3x equals 48 minus 6x. Solve for x. I'm going to move the 6x to this side and subtract 24 from both sides to get that. And finally, divide by x, I get x equals 24 over 9, which is a weird answer, but I can reduce that down to, say, 8/3. And remember that this 8/3, or 2 2/3, is the x variable, which stands for the river speed. So we would say at the very end, river speed is 8/3 kilometers per hour.